F'pajjiżna hu mill-inqas 3000 Somalu, mal-2500 raġel u mal-500 mara. Il-maġġoranza tagħhom waslu f'pajjiżna b'dajes biex jaħarbu mill-gwerra u jsibu ħajja aħjar. Iżda x-xena li Kru ta' One News iltaqa' magħha s-sibt filgħaxija kienet totalment differenti. F'atmosfera ta' komunità u bit estiża għal Maltin ukoll. Għexieren ta' ċittadini Somali li jgħixu fostna iltaqgħu taħt il-Knisja ta' San Publiu biex jiċċelebraw l-iżviluppi politiċi li kien hemm f'pajjiżhom. Imdawra b'ritratti tal-mexxejja li ser jibdew imexxu s-Somalja, dawk preżenti espremew tama li l-gwerra li għaddejja aktar minn 20 sena tintemm darba l-dejjem u l-pajjiż jimxi l-qudiem fil-libertà u l-paċi.
This ceremony is we are very happy and we are welcoming the new election in Somalia, the exchange in our country. As you know, we selected a president in our country, a prime minister, a speaker of parliament, and all of them they are diaspora. They come from outside of the country.
Fost id-diskussjonijiet kien hemm ukoll intervent li spjega d-diffikultajiet li għaddew minnhom dawn l-individwi lura f'pajjiżhom.
We grow up I'm 25 years old now. I grew up with war. I didn't see peace. I didn't see good government. We are fighting each other. We are killing each other without reason.
L-esperjenza f'Malta bidlet ħajja uħud minn dawn il-persuni.
And I really changed my life because when I was in Somalia I was doing nothing. So here I study, I work, I get my family, and also I came like independent. I support back my family in Somalia. Very good relationship because we find help, we find support, and you can find difficult everywhere, but how they treat us, it was very helpful, and they respect us and they accept us, and we find like a home in Malta, the second home.
L-attività komplet blaqta kulturali, bisfinu mużika tradizzjonali f'ambjent li jilqak u li fih kulħadd kien aċċettat.